Minister Maru says with the government's plan to work on a 10-year development plan to formulate a plan for the capital market with the aim to bring PNG to a stage where it is also internationally respected when it comes to capital market is something the government aims to achieve, where there will be a proper market structure and regulatory and governance structure that meets the highest world standards. Minister Maru added that PNG should focus on investors that are already in the country to invest in PNG rather than finding investors outside of the country who are not familiar with the system.
And make it known that we are going to have a 10-year development plan, and in this plan we want to make sure that all companies operating in PNG, especially foreign companies who are listed in other stock exchanges, must list here. Or even if they want to raise capital, they can come and list here and we can raise capital here by getting our people to buy shares.
Maru highlighted that the department is looking to host a one-day PNG Capital Market Summit in Port Moresby, where it will give opportunity for the country to have world experts, including development partners, ADB, and International Finance Corporation and the Financial Market Authority of New Zealand. Maru added that PNG wants to see its capital market grow exponentially to the point where all foreign listed companies who buy into or operate and profit from PNG to have secondary listings in the PNG National Stock Exchange.
I also want to encourage potential Papua New Guinea large-scale investors who would like to raise money in the capital market. But our stock exchange already has stocks like Santos, meaning they are respected. We are respected. All we are doing is improving the governance. What we want to do is encourage more and more Papua New Guinea companies to start thinking of listing publicly so they can invest. For example, some companies want to grow and expand their operations, but they need money to do that. Rather than going to borrow in the banks, why can't they come to the stock exchange, list so that they can market the sale of new shares? So rather than borrowing, they get free money from investors who invest in buying the shares. That's an easy way to grow their companies and invest more and more in Papua New Guinea so we can see more jobs, more employment, more benefits.
Maru said this includes companies like Telstra from Australia, who recently bought Digicel. Maru added that the government is now looking at a law or policy where all such investors cannot buy or operate in Papua New Guinea without first listing in the local stock exchange.